Welcome back to our channel. So this video I'm just focusing on things you should do before coming here, as in I've heard a lot of people got deferred from their semester and they have been deferred to the Feb intake for 2022, which is not a bad thing. So you have this 6 months in which you can develop a lot of skills which will definitely help you after coming here. So I'm gonna talk more about on that. Plus also I've received a lot of comments that make videos in Hindi and some people say make videos in English. So it's difficult for me to decide in which language should I make, because recently I've seen that a lot of foreigners also are watching my videos. But I'll try to keep it multilingual, and let's begin the video. So you guys are probably thinking right now that because your semester is deferred, your semester is wasted. But it's not like that. Think it about like you can spend 6 more months to do proper research, to enhance some more skills before coming to Czech Republic or any other country, any other European country, or as well as like any other country. So what can you do? In these 6 months, you can connect people on Facebook. Go to social media, search for different type of groups. There are definitely Indians in Czech Republic type of groups. You can just type it and you can find it. And the same way you can find for a lot of countries. Connect with people, talk with them, try to understand like what are the opportunities available here and what are the things you can figure out before coming here. Also work on your checklist about the visa, about the apostille. Also keep a track of your studies, what will be your subjects you are going to study. Connect with your classmates. On the information system, you can go and search for your classmates if you have the UCHO and password. And I'm sure people who got deferred, they already have the UCHO and their password with them. You can go to the I system, connect with a lot of people from your group. So by this way, you can make a lot of friends as well. Another best thing what you could do is take up a language. You have 6 months. It's a very long time, and in 6 months you can easily finish learning a language till A2 easily. Don't take Czech language because eventually it's not spoken in a lot of countries, just here. Take up a language which is much wider, which has a much wider scope, like German, Portuguese, Spanish. Take any. It will definitely help you after you are coming here, because there are a lot of jobs and opportunities available for just particular for just particular people who know these kind of languages. So if you are multilingual already, you know English and you know some other language like Spanish, then definitely you got a plus point there. You can also take up some certification courses. For example, if you are coming here to study business administration or anywhere, you can just take some digital marketing course or any other course related to your subject, or maybe accounting, or maybe some kind of any kind of subject on a beginner level, not even like intermediate or something, just on a beginner level. Take a certification course from, there are a lot of websites like Udemy and a lot more. Just take some certification course. It will add up to your CV and it will definitely help. Also, thank you for subscribing. We are 533 strong, I guess. That's the number, and I'm glad, like, we didn't think about it when we started that we will cross 500, so I'm glad that we did. So the next target is going over 700 subscribers, so help us, subscribe, share. We will try to come up with better content and definitely more frequently, because I mean, apart from our jobs, what time we have, we use it to maybe go on a vacation, shoot some vlogs, or if you have more time, then we try to create a video. So I mean, we are putting a lot of efforts in our vlogs as well, so please watch them as well, because we have very less views on that. And definitely we are thinking of making another video on interview as well as a documentation, so it will be more thorough video which will help you. So it will be long, so be prepared, like you have to watch it for 15 to 18 minutes, so keep that in mind. And that's it, and 3 Indians is signing off. Thank you for watching this video.